In this video, I am going to show you how to hide memories with certain people on Facebook. This is the second video of our Facebook memories videos. If you miss the previous one, you can check the playlist at the end of this video. To hide memories with certain people on Facebook, open the Facebook app. Tap on your profile icon from the top right. From here, scroll down and you will find memories. If you have memories on today's date, you will find it will be listed here. Tap on the setting icon on the top right corner and you will find hide memories. Then you will find people and date. In this video, I will show you both how to hide memories with certain people and how to hide memories from specific date. Open the people section and here type the name of the person from whom you want to hide the memory. Let's say I want to hide my memories from this person and it will be pinned here. You can write you can write names of people as many as you want. By this way you can hide your memories from those peoples. Let's go back. And how to hide memories from a specific date. Open the date and here you can control it from start to end. Select the date, month and year to start and then set the end timing and then save it. If you want to hide your memories for 1 day, you can select the specific date here. By this way you can hide your memories from specific people and specific date. Here one thing you need to note that depending on privacy setting, some memories may not be shareable with others on Facebook. You aren't able to turn off all Facebook memories. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching.